I just wanted to share some of my blessed moments with you guys. You know, and to also use this opportunity to say thank you to my amazing 226,312 subscribers for making these beautiful moments possible. So, hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loveth. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. And if you are a returning day one supporter, welcome back to my channel. So before I unbox this, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported my YouTube channel from day one. I am super grateful and I do not take your support for granted. I usually set milestones for myself. I kind of like set rewards for whenever I hit those milestones. So in 2019, the milestone I set for myself was to hit 50,000 subscribers by the middle of the year. And around June 2019, I got to 50,000 subscribers, and the reward for that was to get myself a brand new camera and a very good lens worth $2,000 US. And until I hit 50,000 subscribers, I got myself the camera that I'm using to film right now, as well as the lens that I'm using to film right now. That cost me slightly above $2,000 US. The next goal I set was to hit 100,000 subscribers, and I told myself that once I get to 100,000 subscribers, I was going to get myself the latest MacBook Pro as at whenever I reach that goal. So in December 2019, my channel hit 100,000 subscribers, and I got myself the latest MacBook Pro as at then, which was the 2019 MacBook Pro. So I've been wanting to vlog for a really long while, but I couldn't vlog because of the camera that I have right here. And I'm super excited because this package just came in today. This one I am so happy about. Look at what I got! So these are headphones. These are professional headphones. This headphone cost about $280 US because I had to ship to Nigeria, and I have been wanting these headphones for a really long time. So once I got to 100,000 subscribers, the next goal I set for myself was to get to 200,000 subscribers, and the reward for hitting 200,000 subscribers was to get myself the latest iPhone as I whenever I hit 200,000 subscribers. Not just the latest, but like the biggest iPhone as I whenever I hit 200,000 subscribers, and also get like the latest iWatch as well as a couple of perfumes. So I already unboxed my perfumes like in like a video that I filmed before now. So I got myself 5 different perfumes. I also got myself the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I'm going to be unboxing now, as well as 2 Apple Watches. I actually wanted to get 1 Apple Watch, but then the order for this was placed in error, and I felt, okay, you know what, there's no point in having 2. So after the Nike version came, I wasn't sure if I wanted the Nike version or the regular version, so I went ahead and placed an order for the regular Apple Watch. Okay, they both cost the same amount, so I'm going to open them up. So if I end up liking the Nike version, I'm going to give this away because there's no point having 2. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and unbox our iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the iPhone first. So wow, here's the seal, and it's out of the way. This phone is beautiful. Wow. So I'm going to keep the phone aside and show you guys what else I got in the box. I do have an Apple sticker, and I do have the SIM tool. So if you ever misplace this and you're looking for something to use to take off your SIM, your earrings will work. So I'm going to keep this aside as well. I also have the lightning cable to USB-C. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take off the seal. So take this aside. So this is what the phone looks like. So here is my phone, and this phone is so pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and power on the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the SIM from my iPhone 6 and transfer it to my iPhone 12 Pro Max. English, Nigeria. The phone didn't come with any power adapter, so I also got a power adapter as well from Apple. Wow. So this is the one that I got, and it looks bigger than the one that came with the iPhone 11. I think I got the bigger brick. Put that up. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my Apple ID. I'm going to use dark mode. Continue, standard, continue. Welcome to iPhone. This video was filmed several months ago. All the items that I got for hitting 200k were purchased between like January 3 to about January 9, okay, which is about 10 months ago. And even though Apple just released the iPhone 13 a couple of days ago, I'm still going to stick with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, okay, at least for a little while. Guys, you see this phone case here? This is the best thing you can buy for your iPhone. I was filming with two different cameras and I didn't realize that my overhead camera had gone off while I was unboxing the phone case. This case literally buckles up your phone. Like, you don't even need the screen guard. My phone till days, like this phone is almost 10 months old and my phone is 100% scratch free. Not to mention the countless times I have dropped my phone from insane heights. So I got this case on Amazon for I think $29 US. I'm not so sure, but I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as the link to other products shown in this video in the description box. So now that I'm done unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max, I'm going to go ahead and unbox the two Apple Watches that I got. So if I like the Nike version, I'm going to give this away, but if I like this version better, I'm going to give the Nike version away. So I'm going to start with the Nike version, obviously. Yep. So this is the Nike version. Flip that over. I'm gonna keep this aside. So this is the band that came. This is actually not as bad as I thought it was. The reason why I didn't like this was because you see the way this is perforated. Guys, I didn't like that. That was the only reason why I got another Apple Watch. You know, I tried to watch several videos to see if I could like buy another Apple band and replace it with the band that comes with the Nike version. But the video I saw said you couldn't, and I don't know how true that is. So we're going to find out today, alright? So I'm going to keep the band aside. So now it's time to open up the watch. And here we go. I'm going to keep this aside as well. So in here you have all your designed by Apple, blah blah blah. And then we have the wireless charger. So because I'm not so sure if I'm going to take the Nike version or the regular version, I'm not going to open this. I mean, you don't want to give something to someone and rip off everything. You're going to open the watch, slide that off like so. Wow. So this is the watch and this is what it looks like. And this is the front. Yay! So here is the watch, and guys, it actually looks good. It doesn't look that bad at all. This is actually really cute. I just realized that I actually put this on the wrong way. Ah, love it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and unbox the one that I actually wanted to buy, which is the Space Gray aluminum case with black spot band. And I don't know if you guys can see, it just has like the Apple Watch right up engraved inside the packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the band. Put this aside. So again, you have your wow. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is the one that I wanted, and I'm so glad I got this after getting the Nike version in error. So this is the Nike version, and to be honest with you guys, I'm not really a fan of the perforated loop or whatever it's called. I actually like this plain one better. So I'm glad that I still got another one. Here's the watch. Ta-da! I'm going to go ahead and open up the charger so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like. Here is our watch. So looking at them, the first thing I noticed is that they are both the same. The only difference is the band. This is so pretty. So here's my Apple Watch Series 6, and this is the Nike version of the Apple Watch Series 6. And now that I'm looking at both of them in comparison, like looking at them live and direct, I am 100% sure that I'm going to go with this one. So I'm definitely going to gift this other one. Wait, ta-da! I also got a couple of perfumes. I unboxed 4 of them earlier on, but the last one just came in today. Okay, the last one came in yesterday. This happened to come in yesterday, which I'm really excited about. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up as well. So my camera is about to die because the battery is low. Oh! Guys, this is the Guerlain Perfume Intense. So whenever I get a bottle of this perfume by Guerlain, it's going to remind me of the day I unboxed my iPhone 12 Pro Max and my Apple Watch for hitting 200k subscribers. YouTube has blessed my life in so many ways that I can't even start to like count for you guys. I can't even start to imagine. Like, all of this is courtesy of YouTube, and I'm super grateful to be a partner with YouTube. Okay, every single thing I got for myself as a reward for hitting 200k subscribers cost $3,008, which is about 1.7 million naira, going by the exchange rate as of today. Like, this wouldn't have been possible if you guys did not support my YouTube channel by watching the ads that display in my videos. Alright, so thank you guys so much. I am super grateful, and I do not take your support for granted. My goal for this year was to hit 300,000 subscribers. I've only posted like 1 video this entire year, and I have like 3 months left. And for anyone watching this, you're going to become successful on your YouTube. All you need to do is just come on camera, be yourself. Don't try to be like anyone else. I've seen so many people come on camera and they try to be who they are not, or they try to sound like their favorite YouTuber, or they try to like act like their favorite YouTuber. Guys, everyone is different. Everyone has a gift inside of them, and I believe that everyone's gift is different. So don't try to be like me, try to be like you. If you try to be like me, you're going to be a copy of myself. So try to be yourself, and that's like the best advice I can give to anyone. My goal is to actually hit 500,000 subscribers in the next 1 year, and I know that's really possible. Keep pushing, don't be discouraged, pray all the time. Before I come on camera, I just ask God for like inspiration, and I wake up the next day and I'm doing things that I wouldn't have even imagined with my normal brain. Okay, if that makes any sense. So yeah, pray all the time. Think of ideas, sit in front of the camera, put on some makeup, put a smile on your face, do your thing, and in no time you see yourself growing. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.